skip those pre-made lunch packs. They're often filled with high-fat, high-sodium cold cuts and cheese with crackers made from refined flour. Is the school lunch you pack for your child as healthy as it could be? What's in kids' lunch boxes often falls short of National School Lunch Program standards, according to a recent study. Almost a quarter of packed lunches include sugar-sweetened beverages and 28% include dessert. Yet, just 34% have fruit, and a mere 11% include vegetables. So what should go into your child's lunchbox? Try these tips for a satisfying, healthy meal. Choose a lean source of protein, such as grilled chicken, a hard-boiled egg, or hummus. Include some whole grains. That can be in the form of whole grain bread for a sandwich or cooked grains, such as quinoa in a salad. Veggies. Sandwiches are a great way to include more vegetables. Load them up with lettuce and tomatoes, or pack some cut-up carrots and light ranch dressing. Don't forget to include a piece of fruit. And for a beverage, water is just fine. Finally, skip those pre-made lunch packs. They're often filled with high-fat, high-sodium cold cuts and cheese with crackers made from refined flour. I'm Dr. Soden. Watch all our smart tips for more ways to nourish your family's health.